Hi, if you want to disable or enable Windows Defender on your Windows 11 operating system, then you are in the right place. You are going to learn how to disable or enable Windows Defender on your Windows 11 operating system permanently. Yes guys, if you are watching my video first time, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you will get my new video notifications at first. Okay, let's see how we can disable the Windows Defender in two ways. In the first method, go to the Windows search bar and search for settings, or you have to right click on the Windows icon, then you will find settings. Click on that. Now we are on the settings window. There you need to find privacy and security. Click on that. Now you will find a security section. There you will find Windows security. Click on that. Then you may find here protection areas. There you can find virus and threat protection. Open that. Now we have opened the virus and threat protection, and you can scan the virus from here, but in our case we want to disable the Windows Defender, right? To disable that, go here and find manage settings under virus and threat protection settings. So open the manage settings. There the real-time protection is on, so this we need to disable and say yes to disable. Now the Windows Defender has disabled on my Windows 11. But what happens once you restart your device? The Windows Defender is automatically enabled on your system. That means this is kind of a temporary solution to disable. So if you want to disable the Windows Defender permanently, then move to the second solution. That is, go to the Windows search bar again and search for registry editor. There you will find registry editor. Click on that. Now say yes, and this time you have to find HK local machine. Double click on it. This is the one. Double click on that. Then here you need to find software. Double click on that to open. And now go to policies. Double click on that. Now find Microsoft. Double click. Then find Windows Defender. Double click on that. Now right click on the Windows Defender. Then select new and find dword 32-bit value in right. Then select that. Here in the new key you have to type disable anti-spyware and make sure there is no typos and there is no space in between them, and also you have to capitalize each word like D, A and S. So how I typed, so like that you have to rename disable anti-spyware without space, then press enter to create new key. Then right click on that and select modify, and this time the value data will be 0, then change it to 1. The value data should be 1 to disable the Windows Defender. Then say OK. Now close the window, and this time you need to restart your device once. So once you restart it, again come here, go to settings and go to privacy and security and Windows security, virus and threat protection. There go to manage settings. You can find here the real-time protection is switched off. So like this, if you want to turn off or disable the Windows Defender on your Windows 11 permanently, then these are the two solutions available. So that's it friends. Hope this helps. If you like this video, please consider subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, and I trust we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.